Hi guys, Mulozi Bradley Lisao here, a student from Namibia's University of Science and Technology, and I recently had the once-in-a-lifetime opportunity to complete my 3-month internship from the 1st of August to the 27th of October at Zweifel Pommes Chips in Switzerland. So I decided to make this very short video and speak about the nitty-gritty basics about the Swiss public transport system. And if you're watching this video, you're probably an intern that's about to go to Switzerland and probably have no idea how the public transport system works in Switzerland. And from my experience, getting used to the public transport system was a bit difficult in the very beginning. And guys, the public transport system in Switzerland is so sophisticated and is one of the best in the whole wide world. I am so confident you'll love it. But hey, here's a really short video to spare you some time and give you a head start. Without wasting any more time, let's jump right into it. So the first thing that you need to get around Switzerland using the public transport system is your Swiss pass. Here's an example of my Swiss pass. Using the Swiss pass, you can enjoy limitless traveling around Switzerland, either using the trains, trams, buses, and discount prices on boats. Alternatively, you can as well use the Swiss ticket machines. These are located everywhere across Switzerland at tram stations, bus stations, as well as trains. The ticket machines are quite useful in situations where you perhaps lose your Swiss pass and do not have enough time to renew it, something I hope does not happen. Here's the SBB app. You need the SBB app to navigate. You can download this app at iStore if you're using iOS or an iPhone, or you could download it from the App Store if you're using Android. So I'll go ahead and open the SBB app. This is what you expect to see once you open the application. To navigate, there are two options. I'll start with the second option, which is the touch timetable. I'll go ahead and click the touch timetable option. Using the touch timetable option, I can find routes to where I want to go to by simply selecting my location and directly linking it to where I want to go to, and then a list of all the different trains and the different times at which they leave appears. I, however, personally prefer to use the first option. I'll go right back. The first option, which is the standard timetable. This is quite simple to use. To demonstrate, I'll go ahead and click the standard timetable. You have two options, which are from and to. From is by default at your current location. However, you can as well change this and type it in directly yourself wherever you are. So I'll go ahead and type in Wettingen. That's my current location. And today I'll be traveling from Wettingen to Zurich. So I'll go ahead and type in Zurich in the to option. So now select Zurich HP, which is Zurich main station, and then a drop down of all the different trains and the different times at which they leave appears. The time right now is currently 10:50 a.m. as you can see, and the next train leaves at 11:20. So I'll take the train that leaves soonest, which is approximately 30 minutes from now. So I'll go ahead and click the S12 train that leaves at 11:20, and here's my route. Here I have an option to show me, in case I do not know where the train station is, I can click right here where it's written walk. It gives me direction to where the nearest train station is. As you can see, there's a route that directs me to the train station. Ignore the tickets price down here as you have the Swiss pass. Now that I know where the train station is, I'll go ahead and walk there. Let's go. So now that I've been walking for about 10 minutes, I'll check my time to make sure I'm still on track. So as you can see, it's 2 minutes past 11. I still have about 18 more minutes before my train arrives. I'll continue walking for a couple more minutes. Still have time to spare, so hey, let's go. Now, after several minutes of walking, I've finally arrived at the train station. This is Wettingen main station. You can always look up the main station to see whether you're at the right place, and there's Wettingen. Now, from my experience as a first timer at the train station in Switzerland, hopping onto the right train might not be as easy as you thought it was, but hey, it's quite simple. There are very few things that you just need to take note of. The first one is the departure board right here with the writings Abfahrt. Abfahrt is a German word for departure. It's an electric board with all the different trains and the different times, as well as the different tracks on which they leave. Over here I see the next train, which leaves at 11:20, is our train, and look a bit to your right and you see a row of different numbers under Gleis. Gleis is a German word for track. Our train leaves on track 4, so that's all I need to know for now, and I'll head right to the tracks. To go to the tracks, you need to take the stairs down, and right over your head it indicates the different track numbers. So under here it shows track 3 to 5. All I have to do is continue walking and make sure I spot my track number and head straight over there. The first set of tracks is track 3 and 4. There is track 4. Our train is on track 4, so I'll head right over here. To confirm that I'm at the right place, I just look up and see track 4. There is the right track. On my right, there is track 3. Nope. Our track is track 4. There it is. To confirm, I see the S12 train arrives at 11:20. Yep. So all I have to do is stand right here, wait for a couple more minutes until my train arrives, and I'm good. I look at my time and I see that there are still about 7 more minutes until my train arrives. All I have to do is wait. Shortly after 1 minute, I see a train coming. Oh no, it doesn't stop. I'm going to quickly head over my phone and check with the time. There's still about 7 more minutes, about 6 until my train arrives, so that's definitely not my train. After several minutes of waiting, I see another train coming and I quickly confirm on my phone, and it's almost exactly 11:20, so this should definitely be my train. To confirm, I can always look at the windscreen of the train and see if it's the right train number. This has S12 written on it, so it's definitely my train. So to hop on it, I'll simply head right over the train, press the green button to open, jump in, make sure I'm at the right section. The train has different classes, so make sure you're on the right class of the train. That's on your Swiss pass. Grab a seat, relax and enjoy the ride. The views from the Swiss trains are extraordinary and beautiful. Enjoy the view while you travel, but hey, don't get too distracted and miss your stops. So after about 20 minutes on the train. I confirm with my time and I'm just about to reach my destination. All the stops and stations are announced in the train, but you can also confirm this with the onboard screens. This shows me that it's exactly 11:45 and I'm in Zurich, so I've finally reached my destination.
That's all from me. Thanks for watching, guys, and I hope this video was useful to you in some sort of way. I'm very confident you'll have a great time. Have a great start.